Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make rice water. Rice water is really effective on the hair, and apart from that, it's really easy to find. I mean, who doesn't have rice in their kitchens, right? So keep watching. And oh yeah, before I forget, I'm really sorry about not showing you guys my afro hair. Well, I'm in my protective style right now, and I'll tell you guys all about protective styles as we go through the journey, and you'll eventually get to see my afro kinky hair, and you'll know where we're at. So yeah, keep watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. I don't know if it's on the left or on the right. And the subscribe button. And don't forget to share, guys. We have to increase this family, right? Yeah, keep watching. So, as you can see, guys, you don't quite need too much. A little can go a long way, right? So this is just everything I'll be using, and I'm going to be washing it. Yeah, just lightly washing it, and yeah, wash, wash, wash. Let that water out and wash again. Yeah, I mean, we don't want to be putting bacteria, germs, all those awful things in our hair, right? So yeah, wash, wash, wash. Yeah. So I'm just now I'll put this into the little pots. Forgive the shape, guys. We've used it for like since forever. Yeah. So in this little pot, and then add in some water. You don't need too much either. Yeah. And then I went straight to the boiling, guys. So yeah, just let it parboil, and that is enough. Now I'm transferring it into a bowl where I'm going to leave that for like 2 days for the fermentation process to occur, to happen. Yeah, so this is just water and rice basically. And this is a whole magical portion. Yeah, this is everything. So yeah, guys, after making the rice water, after getting it, after following the procedure I earlier spoke about, here is mine. Yeah, in this little spray bottle. I kept mine for 2 days. You can keep yours for less or more. The more fermented the water is, the better, the more effective it is. All right. So mine was just for 2 days, and it's quite fermented and smelly too. Yeah. So with the rice water, it's really harsh at this level because all the things all the science students can relate. All the things that might have generated in it and all of that. So it's advisable to dilute it a little before using it. And another thing, before using it, it's good to boil it again, all right, a second time, so that it should be warm or hot or warm by the time you're spraying it on your hair. It'll be more effective then. You would have killed some germs, bacteria, one of those things. And yeah, so you basically just spray this on your hair. Spray it like, yeah, like that's for after you must have washed your hair, so your hair should be clean. And you spray that and make sure your hair is completely soaked in it. Then let it sit for like 30 minutes. I don't know, some people keep it for like an hour, but 30 minutes is just fine. Keep it for that long. Then afterwards, you wash your hair, shampoo it, go through your normal procedure to get rid of the smell. And yeah, it will leave your hair mega soft. At least that's an immediate effect that it will leave you with. Your hair will be mega soft and hydrated. Now long term, it will reduce breakage, right? And breakage, fallout, all of that, split ends. Rice water simply works magic, guys. You guys so have to try this. Now if you try using rice water, please don't forget to comment. Let me know how you did yours. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you want me to try next. Let me know. Let's communicate, guys. Thank you. See you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.